Alright, good afternoon. My name is Sierra. Welcome back to my channel. I apologize for those who do follow me as I fell off for like a few days. I think I haven't posted an actual video in like a week or so. I did just have a baby, but I wanted to hop on here and do this video because it's one of my push presents. I got this iPhone 14 Pro and I'm super excited to test the quality to see if my videos are going to be even better with this camera because it is insane. I love like how high-tech the feel is of it. I might have to switch up my video editing software because I do think that lowers the quality of my videos, but we are going to try it to see if maybe this makes a difference. But I just wanted to do a quick rundown for you guys about this phone. But yeah, I love it so far. Okay, so for this portion I am filming on my iPhone 11, so the quality might be different, just in case you notice this, but this is how it is. This camera lenses, they stick out so incredibly far. So I did get a camera case that's extra thick just to help get a little protection for that. I do love about this iOS 16, like how you can like completely customize. Like I added some neutral colors to my icons, like little widgets here and there. Super adorable. It just makes it like super cozy. But the camera is insane. Like it has cinematic mode and things like that. You can change the quality so that this is 4K 60, but of course you can do any of the other things. I really just wanted this phone strictly for this freaking camera. It is amazing. So yeah, I've used it for almost a week now and I'm super impressed. I started making like my reels and things for Facebook and Instagram with this camera and it is gorgeous. It like self blurs the background when I take pictures like on Instagram and things like that. I did end up getting just the Pro because the Pro Max is a little too big for my hand. I like it to where it's just comfortable and I'm not just like struggling to hold my own phone. I did order a glass screen protector. I swear by those, so I'm about to go put that on. It just arrived today from Amazon. I can link that down below if you're interested. I can't tell you how many times it saved me with this phone. I have kids and I drop this all the time. So like instead of breaking my actual screen, you can see maybe I have one on here right now, but instead of breaking my actual screen, it just breaks this glass protector, so then you can just take it off and replace it. So that's super convenient. We did go through AT&T for this new phone and they have this trade-in thing, so I will be returning this or turning this phone in. I did pay this cash, so I already have it paid off. I will be turning this in for an $800 credit towards this one, which is super convenient. But yeah, I absolutely love this phone so far and I can't wait to see what I can create with the quality and stuff like that, because I do Pinterest and everything like that. It's just something I love and it's super impressive. I know people have said that like this is comparable or like the same thing to the iPhone 13. I have no say in that because I came from an 11 to the 14 Pro, so we're just gonna roll with that. But I'm impressed and I would recommend highly. Okay, and one more thing, if you guys care at all, I did end up getting this Apple Watch along with this phone for like my push presents. It's super convenient. I've never had one before. I know they're super popular among people. It's just, I guess I've been a little out of date for a little bit, so I'm happy to be catching up on this new wave of technology. It is super convenient. It has like a walkie-talkie, so me and my husband just kind of like walkie-talkie back and forth. I do have heart issues. I am on beta blockers and stuff like that, so this keeps track of my heart rate and things like that. So it's just overall convenient in multiple different ways. I can text back like people who text me. I can call. I can like them. One of my favorite features, I just learned of this, is they have this little button, so I can set up my phone and then I can just like push the side thing and it works as like kind of like a camera clicker, so I can like take pictures. I like to set up my phone, take pictures of my children and I when we go places and I don't have anybody to take our pictures, so I'll just set this up, and now instead of having to like keep running back to my phone hoping I get a good angle and choosing like the timer, I can like see on this interface like what the picture is going to look like, to see if we're in frame, and then I can just click the button on the side to take our picture. So that is super awesome as well. Thank you for watching if you've made it this far. Like I said, my name is Sierra. Welcome to my channel, and I look forward to making more videos and more content now that I'm out of the hospital and I've had my baby and my health problems are starting to get a little better. We are about to travel overseas, which is super exciting, so I hope you guys join me for that journey as well.